Every so often a motorhome comes along that doesn't just turn heads. It completely redefines what we expect from life on the road. And that's exactly what Kenworth has done with the brand new 2026 T2000 Motorhome. This isn't just a motorhome. This is a statement. It's where high-tech trucking muscle meets pure luxury living, all wrapped into one massive jaw-dropping package. Just look at this thing. The design screams presence. The T2000 Motorhome has a bold, aerodynamic front end that feels more like a super truck than an RV. It rides long and tall, with smooth curves along the body, and those sweeping graphics across the sides that make it look fast, even when it's parked. Kenworth didn't just design a motorhome, they sculpted a luxury mansion on wheels. But here's where it really gets interesting. Underneath all that beauty, Kenworth has packed in some serious brains. The 2026 T2000 comes with a hybrid powertrain. Yes, hybrid. You've got the raw power of a diesel engine when you need to conquer steep grades or haul extra weight. But it smoothly switches to electric drive for city, cruising, and quiet campground arrivals. Imagine rolling up to your campsite in near silence. No roaring engine, no fumes, just clean and calm. It's the kind of thoughtful engineering that makes you realize this isn't just about luxury. It's about the future of travel. And if you're the type who doesn't stick to paved highways, Kenworth's got you covered too. The T2000 Motorhome has an advanced suspension system and optional off-road package that lets you confidently take it beyond the beaten path. Gravel, mud, uneven trails, it doesn't matter. This giant machine eats it all up while keeping you riding in absolute comfort. It's like a luxury hotel that happens to have the heart of an off-road beast. Step inside, though, and that's where the real magic happens. The interior feels less like a camper and more like a modern penthouse. We're talking panoramic windows, ambient lighting, and living spaces that flow seamlessly from one to another. The lounge area feels like your own personal cinema with plush recliners and a massive, smart TV built right in. The kitchen isn't some cramped corner with a two-burner stove. It's fully equipped with stainless steel appliances, induction cooking, and even a smart fridge that syncs to your phone. And the bedroom? Let's just say you'll forget you're in a motorhome. King-size bed, premium bedding, climate control at your fingertips. It feels like checking into a five-star resort. Even the bathroom has spa vibes, with a rainfall shower and enough space to actually move around comfortably. Of course, Kenworth didn't stop at just luxury. They've loaded this thing with tech. A digital cockpit up front gives the driver full control, with augmented reality displays, driver assist features, and even semi-autonomous driving support for long stretches of highway. And for those who like to stay connected, the motorhome comes standard with satellite internet, so you can stream, work, or upload your adventures from just about anywhere. Now let's talk about what everyone's thinking: price. A rig like this doesn't come cheap, and the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is expected to start around $950,000, with fully loaded models pushing well past the $1 million mark. But here's the thing. You're not just buying a motorhome, you're buying a rolling palace that blends cutting-edge trucking heritage with luxury design. It's a lifestyle choice, and for those who can swing it, nothing else on the market even comes close. Compared to other luxury rigs out there, think Prevost, or even the high-end models from Newmar or Ford Travel, the Kenworth T2000 stands apart. It's not just about being fancy, it's about being futuristic. Others may give you opulence, but Kenworth gives you opulence and innovation, with that hybrid powertrain and rugged versatility that makes this motorhome as practical as it is jaw-dropping. So, whether you're a full-time traveler, a weekend warrior, or just someone who dreams big, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome isn't just another RV. It's the one that changes the conversation. It's proof that the future of motorhomes is already here, and it's bigger, bolder, and smarter than anything we've seen before. And honestly, I can't wait to see this beast hitting highways and campsites around the country. Because when you roll up in a Kenworth T2000, you're not just arriving, you're making history.